Welcome to TechClipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase laptop speaker volume on your Windows 11 laptop. Now, at first, what you have to do is make sure your audio drivers is upgraded to the latest one. Make sure to do this at first because the next step requires this. So, to make sure your audio driver is updated, just right-click on the Start button. Then just go to the Device Manager. From here, go to Audio, Video, and Game Controller. And from here, just right click on your audio driver and click on update driver. Then just click search automatically for drivers. As you can see, the best drivers for me are already installed. But if it's not for you, they're gonna upgrade you to the latest driver. Then just click on close and close this. Now, what we have to do is just go to the bottom right corner of the screen and right click on the audio icon. From here, click on sound settings. Then just scroll down a bit and go to more sound settings. You can close the background window. From here, right click on your speakers and click on properties. And after upgrading your audio driver, you should see enhancements right here. Just go to enhancements. Now from here, make sure to select this loudness equalization. Just tick this, then just click on apply, click on OK. And basically this should increase the volume of your laptop. And basically that is how to increase your laptop speaker volume on your Windows 11 laptop. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.